Speckle Count to Determine the Age Range of Bottlenose Dolphins by Maya Hall. So a little bit of background information. Bottlenose dolphins are highly intelligent and social marine mammals. Because of their wide range of behaviors and social structure, as well as ecological and economic influence, dolphins are important to oceanographers and therefore have been thoroughly studied by humans. However, studying and gathering demographic information on dolphins is difficult, especially when they are in the wild. It is especially challenging to determine a dolphin's age due to the long lifespan of dolphins. Knowing a dolphin's age is important because it can help researchers understand certain behaviors and changes occurring in dolphin populations. However, currently, if researchers need to determine the age of a dolphin, they must extract a tooth while the dolphin is anesthetized and examine the calcium layers, which is similar to aging a tree by its rings. This is a very invasive and time-consuming method and is dangerous for both researchers and the dolphins. Speckles are dark marks on the surface of dolphin skin. Through research done at the Mann Laboratory at Georgetown University, it is known that speckles begin at around age 10 and progress to the dorsal side of dolphins as they age. However, what is not known is whether this holds true for the dorsal fin. This experiment began with an evaluation of over 200 images of dolphin dorsal fins. Both male and female dorsal fins were examined and put into categories. The two most important categories were photo quality and speckle number. The photo quality of each image was ranked on an A through F scale, with A being a perfectly clear image with any speckles easily seen, and F being completely dark or blurry, and any speckles that could exist would not be visible. Speckles were counted individually for every dorsal fin, and were examined by the naked eye so as to ensure that there were no particles of dust or water droplets confused as speckles. Additionally, during this evaluation, many images were cut out due to age. Only images of dolphins aged 9 and above were considered due to the fact that speckling normally begins around age 10. The second step to this process was taking the listed ages and speckle numbers and plugging them into a statistical test. The Spearman rank order correlation coefficient test analyzed the existence or non-existence of a correlation between the two, and whether or not this correlation would be significant. The first set of data that was plugged into the statistical test was the combined male and female list of ages and speckle numbers. And the results showed that through the combined test, there was a 59% correlation and a very high significance, which means that the relationship between speckle number and age was truly significant. So looking at this, the males and females were then split up to be looked at individually. Unfortunately, the males showed only a 24% correlation, and there was no significance, which means that this relationship between age and speckle number could simply be due to chance and chance alone. Females, on the other hand, had a 78% correlation and a very significant relationship. This means that the females have a correlation and that this correlation is not due to chance. So what does this mean? This means that there's a possible correlation between dolphin age and dolphin speckle number. However, this would need to be explored in much greater detail in order to be sure of this statement. Likewise, there could be a difference between male and female speckling, or it could just be due to chance and chance alone that this difference occurred. Like many other animals, dolphin survivability ranges depend on age. Mortality rates are different for each age, from calves to mature adults, and knowing an individual's age can help researchers figure out how likely it is for that individual to survive to reproductive adulthood, or how long that individual will live and remain reproductively active. Because of scientists' reliance on age to understand the survival and behavior of dolphins, this non-invasive system may further improve efforts to understand and conserve dolphins. Conservation of dolphins is key in maintaining a healthy ocean ecosystem. Marine mammal activists, such as the Marine Mammal Conservancy, can use demographic information like age to scientifically support claims made about dolphin and population health. Future work would include a larger sample size and potentially an experiment that would focus only on an individual, and this would add a lot more weight to current research. For more information on the shark-bait dolphins, visit monkeymayadolphins.org. Thank you.